Hello everyone, Jeff Bouwman here with a quick preview of our remote sensing class for all of our parents here at Shoemate Middle School. Remote sensing is our brand new 6th grade elective, and it is a course that was designed by my good friends Andy Henry at Wayne Risa and the Aaron Project, and Dr. Michael Jabot from the University of New York, Fredonia. And this course focuses on sensing data from a distance. And we have a lot of different things that we get to do here at Shoemate Middle School. And it's very exciting. So to showcase some of the cool stuff that we're going to be doing, I'm going to send you the syllabus electronically via email. You can take a look at that. But in the meantime, I'm going to show some of the cool things that we're going to be using here. So this course works with the Aaron Project, started by my good friends, Mr. David Bilowski and Andy Henry at Wayne Risa. And the Aaron Project stands for Aerocat's Rover Education Network, A-R-E-N. And so when we take a look at that acronym, the A for Aerocats, that is taking measurements of our planet using kites. And these kites that we're going to be using, we use 7 to 9 foot kites with an Aerocat that we tow up into the air underneath the kite. So the students will get to fly the kites this year, which is going to be really cool. And they'll go anywhere from 3, 4, maybe even 500 feet up to take pictures. So this Aerocat right here has custom design, 3D printed harness. And this is one that we put a makeshift GoPro in, and we take pictures of Shoemate Carlson campus from way up high. And we'll also use the pictures that students get to take a look at all the available carbon that we have around here in the wetlands area. So that is the A in Aaron. And then after that, we get to use the R, which is Rover. And Rover stands for a remote control boat. And students will get to use the remote control boat, which is right here. So this is Rover. And powered by these propellers that we have right here, and they have the sensor package right on the very back of it. So we're going to be taking different water measurements of the front ponds using this Rover boat. It's really, really cool. I like to use that. So that's there. Our students will also define citizen science. What is citizen science? They'll look at NASA satellites. They'll create their own NASA satellite presentation, and we'll do some satellite work as well, where we obtain soil moisture measurements for the NASA Soil Moisture Active Passive SMAP satellite campaign. And that data will turn around and go to both NASA and right here, the GLOBE program, our good friends at GLOBE. And long and the short of it, we're going to be learning science by doing science and taking a lot of environmental measurements, whether it's soil moisture, aerial shots with Aerocats, or maybe even measuring tree heights with mobile apps. But we're going to be doing a lot of cool things. When the opportunity comes, we're going to go outside. So if you can, make sure your student has an extra pair of shoes here that he or she doesn't mind getting too dirty. And I'll talk more about that in class this week coming up here. But I hope to get outside real soon and start taking measurements. So the remote sensing class is just that. It's taking all sorts of measurements from a distance to better understand our planet. Brand new elective. I'm super excited to do this, and I think it's going to be really cool. If you ever have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me, baumanj@jibdis.net. And thank you for taking the time to check out this quick tutorial. Thank you.